Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can actually make money from the internet using your phone or your laptop. Currently I'm in my room printing money with my laptop, with my desktop, and you can also do the same thing if you do exactly what I show you guys on this video. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, and also make sure you do exactly what I show you guys on this video. Okay, in case you're new to this channel, my name is Don Team and this is my YouTube channel. Consider liking my videos, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video to anybody you think might be needing the content on how to make money online. And also, if you have any question or you have anything to say, you can drop it down there in the comment section. And also make sure you follow me on my Instagram at DonTeamTV. With that being said, let's dive deep into this video. Remember to subscribe. See y'all. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make a very good amount of money from your blog that is not yet approved on Adsense. A lot of people have been so dependent on Adsense, and me too have been so dependent on Adsense as well. But then there are other alternatives that you can actually explore and make money even though your AdSense is not yet approved. Then another good thing about this platform is that you can actually make use of this platform and also make use of AdSense. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a site that is making use of AdSense ADX and also making use of this platform to make money. All right. So I have heard about this platform and I've actually ignored it. And a quick disclaimer, this is not a paid advert video or whatever. I'm not trying to promote this platform or anything. All right, I just discovered it and I gave it a try. Okay, it worked. Then I decided to come up here to do a video. So I'm going to show you guys some couple of proofs that I actually saw, which motivated me to actually give it a try before doing this video. So if you take a look at my screen right now, you can see this proof. This is someone's dashboard. He made 92,000 naira, and you can see today he had made 16,000 naira. Okay, so this is another one. Okay, so this one yesterday he made 4,000 naira, and you can see his balance. He has made over 80,000 naira, and it's been added to his publisher's balance. Okay, so this platform actually pays out every 25th of the month. Okay, so imagine getting paid on the 21st by AdSense, then on the 25th you're getting paid by this platform. I think it makes a lot of sense. Okay, so and their payout is actually very, very, very minimal, just 10,000 naira, and you're on your way to pay out. That's below $10. Okay, so every 25th you get paid. So let's go to another one. So this one has made 130,000 naira. Okay, that's like $100. Okay, so that's to prove to you that you can actually make a very huge amount of money on this platform. So this is the one I opened, and this site is actually getting some traffic. So I left the code there for some couple of days. Then I came back to it and saw that this account has generated like close to 3,000 naira. And it's funny because I have not really done anything like probably trying to run a traffic to the site or trying to like promote it, or just to make money with this platform. I've not done that. Okay, so but then that generated me like 3,000 naira. So that's actually a good one for me. Like I think it shows a lot of potentials for me. So I decided to come up here to do a video and show you guys. So in case if you are struggling to get approval on AdSense and your site is getting a whole lot of traffic that is not being monetized, you can consider doing this and getting yourself monetized. Okay, so it's quite simple. Just go to adbrain.com.ng. So go ahead and okay, let me just go ahead and log out. So let's sign out. Okay, go ahead and click on sign up. So if you click on sign up, they don't require much. Put in your username, put in your password, confirm your password. Okay, so they have two accounts creation type. They have advertisers type and publishers type. So in case you're wondering how are they going to make the money they're going to pay you, of course there are advertisers on this platform that registers and run ads. So you too can actually register as an advertiser to run ads on your site or whatever. You can push the advert to probably your sales page or whatever page you're handling. Okay, so select advertiser, and it can also be an advertiser and also a publisher. Either ways it works. So put in your name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, and then your country. Okay, so you can select any country. So typically it works for any country. Okay, so select their terms and conditions and then submit. Okay, once you submit, a verification mail is going to be sent to your email, and once you verify your account, then you'll be able to log in. So let me quickly log into my account. I can see that everything is intact, and I'm going to refresh it again so you can see that everything is intact. So like I said, this account I just created it and embedded the code on my site just to see if this thing actually works. So also I'm going to do a follow-up video whenever this money gets to 10,000 naira and I'm able to withdraw it. Then I'm going to come up back here to do a withdrawal video. And meanwhile, some of the results I showed you guys, they have withdrawn their money. So it's not a doubt if this platform actually pays out or not. Okay, so to go along adding your site, go to your site. So go to add site. So if you click on add site, put your site link here, then select the type. The type could be anything depending on your niche. Your niche could be travel, study, or whatever niche you're into. Just go ahead and select the niche: cars, bicycle, whatever. Like typically everything you want is here. So select, so only just go with this: electronics, appliances, repair. So put in your site's title. It could be anything, super random. It doesn't really matter. You can put in the keywords. The keywords could be, let's take for example, you're into the health niche. The keywords could be pregnancy kits or whatever, or the malaria treatments, whatever keyword, it doesn't really mean. Then give your site a description. Then this one doesn't really matter. You can upload any file you want, but then when I did mine, I didn't really upload any logo, whatever. The thumb shot is not important. So after that, go ahead and click on submit. So if you click on submit, the approval is instant. Okay, they're gonna approve you instantly. So once they approve you, go to where you have add code. Okay, so where you have add code. So now this is where you can actually create your add code. So let's go ahead and click on create add code. So select the site, one of the sites you added, any one of them. Okay, you can add as many as possible sites. Okay, so and their earnings will count as one. Okay, so just imagine you have 10 sites that are getting 100 traffics every day, and all of them counting as one. That means you have a good number of traffic, and the ECPM is not bad. The ECPM is 960 naira per 1,000 views. Okay, that's 1,000 impressions. Okay, so it can actually get higher than that, but that's the minimum, that's the lowest you can get. Okay, so give your ad code a title, then select the ECPM title, ECPM/CPC. Okay, then you can select the last one, that's the one I use. Okay, then go ahead and let's just give it a name, ads 1. So click on next. So if you click on next, you're going to see this code. So you can preview the banner to see how the banner is going to be looking like on your site. So this is the one I selected, and this is how it's going to be looking like. This is the size, this is the format, this is how it's going to be looking like on my site. Okay, so let's copy the code. Just copy the code. So once you're done creating the code, copy the ads code, copy it, then go over to your WordPress or your Blogger or whatever platform you're using. Go and embed the code using the ads inserter plugin, or you can embed it at the header site of at the header part of your site, or you can use, if you're using Blogger, you can use the layout option to embed it in different part of your site. Okay, so you can decide to put it inside post, on your home page, category, wherever you want to put it. You can see this is one of it. This is how the ad code is looking like. This one I have on my site. Okay, so this is another one. Okay, so that's how it works. And remember, I still have my Adsense code, and also, sorry, I have my ADX code. I have ADX running on this site. So it's very simple to actually run. So I am doing this video just to enlighten you guys, and also to give in case you're wondering, in case you're looking for an alternative for Adsense, probably you've been struggling to get approved and it's not coming, and you have a lot of traffic coming into your site. Another good thing about this thing is that you can actually run it on autopilot. Okay, so let's take for example, I have a site, one of the sites I added. Let me show you. Okay, for example, this site I have here is running on autopilot. Okay, so you can see this is an example of how the ads is going to look like. Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, so this is an example of how the art is going to look like, and you can see that today is May 3rd. Okay, today is May 3rd, and this site have like 1, 2, 3, 4 posts already for today. Yesterday was May 2nd. Okay, let's see how many posts we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, posts. Okay. So, okay, 17, 18, 19, 19 posts. Okay. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 posts yesterday, 25 posts just yesterday. This one is an ad, now it's having May 23. So you can see that you can actually run this thing on autopilot. It wasn't a real human being that actually made that 23 posts. Okay, I have a plugin on my site that I actually used to scrape up content from different blogs and have them on my site. Okay, so and this thing is also AdSense friendly. Okay, there is a way you can actually do it, and it's going to be AdSense friendly. It's quite simple, and a lot of bloggers actually do this. So I don't know if you guys want me to do a video on how to actually set up this auto blog post on your site. It's actually free. You can use the plugin for free. I want to also drop it when I do the video in case you guys are interested. But meanwhile, I don't want this video to be very long, and I also want to be very consistent this time. I've been procrastinating content creation for over a very long period of time. So, but meanwhile, we're back on track. Okay, we're back on track. So with that being said, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, share this video to anybody that you think that is struggling to get AdSense approval, and also follow me on Instagram at DonTeamTV. Okay, with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. And if you've not gotten the course is still active. Check the link in the description below and get access. Okay, with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and peace out.